How much more carnage are we willing to accept? Let's meet the moment. Let us finally do something.
A plea from President Biden during an address to the nation. Tonight, he told Congress and the American people, now is the time to change our country's gun laws. This new push to fight gun violence follows a series of deadly mass shootings at a hospital, a school, and a grocery store. NBC 10's Johnny Archer is live in our newsroom to break down the president's proposal and if Republicans will get on board with any of it. Johnny?
Yeah, Tracy, it seems Republican leaders don't agree on many of the things that changes that listed the president tonight that he said. But Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell says there are some things that they do want to see addressed when it comes to the public safety. But toughening gun laws is not one of them.
I couldn't help but think there are too many other schools, too many other everyday places that have become killing fields.
President Biden delivering a primetime speech Thursday night on guns in America following 3 mass shootings that gained national attention. The latest just yesterday at a medical facility in Tulsa, Oklahoma, where 4 people were killed. The president listing what he wants to see changed when it comes to gun reform.
We need to ban assault weapons and high-capacity magazines. And if we can't ban assault weapons, then we should raise the age to purchase them from 18 to 21.
The president also wanting to strengthen background checks, enact safe storage and red flag laws, repeal immunity protecting gun manufacturers, and address mental health.
The fact that the majority of the Senate Republicans don't want any of these proposals even to be debated or come up for a vote.
Earlier Thursday, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell announced what the GOP is willing to discuss.
Mental illness and school safety are what we need to target.
Meanwhile, late Thursday, the House Judiciary Committee advanced a package of bills along party lines called Protecting Our Kids that would toughen the nation's gun laws.
Justice! We demand peace!
Kids at Brandywine High School in Wilmington, Delaware had a student walkout Thursday demanding change from lawmakers on gun reform.
Elected officials are fully aware of what's happening and fully aware of how to stop it, and simply aren't.
And the Protecting Our Kids Act is expected to go to the House floor as soon as next week, but it will face major challenges passing in the Senate as Republicans control 50 seats. The bill requires 60 votes to advance. In the newsroom, Johnny Archer, NBC 10 News.